Good morning, students. Today, our topic in grammar is the verb and its kinds. First of all, we learn about the verb. So, what is the definition of verb? The definition of verb is a verb is a word which says something about a person, place, or thing. All saying words are verb. Such as, for example, they will sing a song. Here, they is subject, will helping verb, sing. Verb, a song, subject, object. So, here they will sing a song. In next sentence, Ravi has gone. Ravi has gone. Ravi subject, has helping verb, gone, verb. You have a dog. You subject, have, verb, a dog, object. Ritu is playing chess. Ritu subject is helping verb, playing, verb, chess, object. Always remember, students, without verb, no sentence can be completed. So, verb is compulsory for sentence. Verb has four kinds. There are four kinds of verb. First is transitive verbs. Transitive verb, a verb which requires an object. Means that verb which requires object after it. To complete its sense is called a transitive verb. Such as, mother is cooking food. Here, this verb is following by object. So, this is transitive verb. Next, second, intransitive verb, a verb which affects the subject itself. Here, verb affects the subject itself and does not require an object. There is no need of object to complete its sense. It is called an intransitive verb. Example, he looks smart. He, subject, looks, verb. Ram came. Here, Ram subject and verb. There is no object. Thank you. Yes. Students, now third kind of verb is linking verb. What is linking verb? A verb which requires a complement. Means this verb requires complement. To complete the meaning is called linking verb. Some linking are act, become, seem, feel, appear, taste, sound, smell, etc. Example, we walk slowly. This word is linking verb. She sings sweetly. Sweetly is linking verb. We work hard. Hard is linking verb. The hare runs fast. The hare runs fast. Fast is linking verb. Now the fourth part kind of verb is auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb, what is auxiliary verb? A verb which helps the main verb to make a tense is called an auxiliary verb. Example, we have gone. Ankit is sleeping there. there are two types of auxiliaries verb. First type is primary auxiliaries. These are three types. Be forms. Be forms are is, am, are, was, were, will be, shall be, etc. Have form. Has, have, had. Do. Do, does, did. Secondary, modal auxiliaries. Modal auxiliaries are will, shall, would, should, can, could, may, might, must, need, ought to, used to, dare. According time, verbs has three forms. First form, second form and third form. Next time we will discuss about first form, second form and third form of the verb. Thank you.